Well, now that the better weather's here, I'm going to give the pool its first clean since the winter, and then put the pool cover over, get the temperature up as quick as possible. So I thought I'd show you how I go about it, and as you can see, it's pretty dirty. We had a huge Calima a few weeks ago. Calima, we live in the Canary Islands. Calima is a wind that brings dust over from the Sahara Desert, and boy, it was a big one. So it dumped dust everywhere. So as well as the winter's rubbish on the bottom, there's also a load of dust. As you may be able to see around the edges, I went round a couple of days ago with the net and got up as many leaves as I could, and then I've let the dust settle again for a day or two, and now I'm ready to go ahead and clean it. So I've connected up the vacuum, I've got rid of the air out of the hose over there, I've got the hose pipe going, because as soon as I start to clean, because I'm going to have to clean on waste, because there's far too much dust in the pool for the filter to be able to cope, so all the water's going to go straight outside. So I need to keep topping it up, and actually I've also got an automatic top up here, which will help, but even so I'm sure the level's going to go down. So here we are. So I need to put the multiport valve there onto waste, and I have a valve here which I need to open so that the water does go straight outside, and I've connected up an old hose to the outlet, which you might be able to see over there somewhere. Look at that. So the water will go away from the house. So let's get cracking. I've got a little helper at the moment. Let's switch on the pump and get going. Give it a minute to clear. There's a bit of an airlock there. I did open that and get the leaves out before I started. Once the airlock goes, I can get on with it. See that the water is starting to run through now. Won't be long. Let's put the camera down. Well, that's half of it done. Makes quite a difference. As you can see, you have to do it really quickly, because if you look over here, you probably see the water level's gone down by at least 2 inches in those few minutes. So if you spend too much time doing it, you'll end up with an empty pool, which you definitely don't want. So let's crack on. Oh, that killed my back. As you probably saw, I had some issues doing that because I was getting so much suction, and well, I've got the liner is 3 strips of liner, so there's a join there and a join there, and when I was getting to the join and getting so much suction, it was getting stuck, and rather than it moving, the handle was sliding inside the telescopic part. I was having to try and pull it out again and tighten it up, but once it's wet it's difficult to get enough purchase. But anyway, that looks a lot better. The aim wasn't to get it perfect in the first wash. The aim really is just to get most of the dust out before the water level goes completely. As you can see here, it's almost down to the level of the skimmer. So we've lost, I don't know, 3 to 4 inches of water there. So I bet the front garden's a little bit flooded. Let's have a look. Yep, looks like it is. Well, so now all that remains to do is put the filter back on. And let it run until tomorrow. And then tomorrow I'll come out and give it a thorough clean. And I'll adjust the chemicals and what have you then. So, I don't know whether you found that useful, but that's how I do it anyway. Take care. See you again soon. Bye.